it's probably like 3 years old. Because I have when beers open.
Oh, that's definitely gonna make it taste different.
And when
that's strong. Jen, everything you drink,
that's 1%
it's
strong.
like blackout.
How's that strong?
That's a 10% alcohol.
Black Combat Cocktails, Danny and Derrick. Also the Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi.
Oh wait, it's up this way. We're gonna make for you a drink called the Great Pumpkin. Now, here I'm gonna give you the recipe. Then we can annotate the.
We can think about it.
Yeah. So it's gonna be 2 ounces pumpkin. What?
Is it 2 ounces with the foam, or do I have to wait till it dies down?
You should have poured it better.
It's a tiny thing. How did you not get it to pour? Anyway, 2 ounces of pumpkin ale, 1 ounce of is it Lairds or Lairds? I don't know. Apple brandy, huh?
Lairds.
1 ounce of, they use Rittenhouse. We're going to use whatever I put out.
We use
Russell. Half ounce of grade B. I don't have grade B. We're using grade A. Can't find grade B anywhere because people are like, buy the second best. 1 whole egg, so it's a flip. Nutmeg, freshly grated. Going to do a whole shake with the beer in it. 2 ounces of beer. Should not cause any explosion.
Should not.
This is from stole this from liquor.com. It was by Jim Maheen, who serves us at New York's PDT, which is Please Don't Tell. The beer selection, I don't know how much of it makes a difference.
See. Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
This is Shipyard Smashed Pumpkin. I don't like pumpkin beer in general, although the ones Jennifer's been ordering haven't been too bad. This one's strong, and
this one, yeah.
Well, it's pumpkin-y.
Yeah.
I think it's getting better.
But it's overpowered by...
It's kind of like a weird...
It's got a little bit of hoppy flavor to it.
Yeah.
It's only a 20 IBU. Like, this shouldn't be
Don't
bitter
drink
at all.
the syrup.
Syrup's so good.
So, great.
Well, the IBU isn't necessarily... Whoops. The IBU doesn't necessarily...
That's how professionals do it.
Yeah.
That's right. If your bartender doesn't do that, he doesn't know what he's doing.
He doesn't care about your drink.
Yeah, that's right.
He doesn't like it well enough to do that.
No.
No, the IBU doesn't necessarily translate directly into bitterness because like the strength of the alcohol and the heaviness of the body of the beer also contributes to like reducing the bitterness, right?
Yeah, if you have a extremely alcohol friendly beer, dude, I have the little snot thing. If you have a alcohol you have to put the whole thing. You got to put the whole thing. You don't even need a split. If you have a very strong beer, typically the bitterness isn't so bad. Wait, we got
got a donation.
We only have like 10 people watching. That's 10% of our audience has donated.
See?
Hey,
Up top.
Boom.
But the higher, if you get a nice strong beer,
we'll find out.
the bitterness that you need a lot more hops to bring it to center. It's kind of like bitters. Yeah, same thing. But 20 still seems pretty low.
Wow, you got a good seal.
It's interesting that it's in a tall glass.
It says
not like a coupe.
chilled fizz glass. 2, 3, 4, 4.5 ounces with ice. It's probably only going to fill about that much.
Well, it's because usually you think you'd have something like
frothy in there.
You can put it in a lowball glass. A fizz glass is kind of like.
I'm surprised it's not in a coupe.
What do you want to put it in? Is that not the right glass?
No, let's try it.
I don't know.
That's a fizz glass, right?
No, is it? A fizz glass?
Yeah, because you get the head on the fizz.
I thought a fizz glass looked like.
Whoa, we got more.
Nice.
20%.
So there's more than 20.
Wait, does it count?
That's 50%.
Does it count as 20% if it's the same person though?
60.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I meant the amount of money. So how many people are.
I thought you meant the people. I'm like,
no.
It's the same person. The percentage doesn't change.
This is going to be really pretty, I can tell.
Why?
Should you already put the ice in it?
Because it's a flip. All
I know, that's
flips
what I'm
look the
saying.
same.
I'm surprised you put...
So a fizz glass.
Is there supposed to be ice in here?
I don't know. Yeah, see, this is what I'm
chilled
thinking.
fizz glass, which usually means no ice.
This
because
is
the glass
a
is
fizz
Oh, it
glass.
just seems...
That's a fizz glass. That's what I was.
Oh, a coupe. Yeah.
No, but it's kind of like a coupe with
like a straight coupe.
It's almost like an old fashioned.
That's what I was gonna say. Oh, that looks good though.
Yeah.
I like that.
It looks like the Burton's key lime pie.
Oh, it does.
It's got the layers. The layers.
That was
of
a good shape.
Custard.
That looks good.
That's just in a really tall glass.
Yeah, but that's okay. It looks pretty.
A fizz glass would be like old fashioned.
Nutmeg that shit.
Oh, it's already good.
What are you doing?
You gotta have nutmeg in it.
If you don't put nutmeg on it, this isn't the holidays.
Yeah. This is just a test for Ian to see whether or
Why
not
don't
he
you
can do
just
this.
use this?
Because it's special.
I brought him,
Look at, and it's even got a
Later.
close up.
and he can't grate with it because it's too good. Instead, he's going to do this weird fucking serrated knife trick.
Look at that.
Oh,
That's
gonna be
delicious.
way
That
too
looks
tall
good.
for my.
It doesn't fit on your.
I told you
Hold
that.
on. Well,
Look at the head on that.
told me
So
that.
good.
That's some good head.
I hear that a lot.
You do some good head. Are we good? Can I drink it?
No.
Oh, I wanted the first sip.
Mm.
I don't know. Derrick, what's it called?
The Great Pumpkin.
The Great Pumpkin. Charlie
Oh.
Brown?
It doesn't taste
Good.
like this, but the first thing that I get because of the color and the nutmeg on the top, I was expecting eggnog,
Yeah.
That's what I was expecting too.
and it's not,
Not
eggnog.
eggnog.
So good.
Not eggnog.
No, it's
Oh, Ian really likes it. You don't see
I like flips. I like whole egg drinks.
I love flips.
Why is that so do you?
You're not a
Because
big
of the
fan of that though? That's definitely a fall drink, right?
Yes.
I know.
No, it's like
the
it's
bitterness.
good.
It's
I'm
the
wondering
bitterness.
if I had a different beer in it.
I don't know. You get a little bit of the pumpkininess, but pumpkininess. I don't know if the beer is playing that much. Lemon.
I mean, the mouthfeel is fantastic.
Yeah, because it's a flip.
I love
Yeah,
flips.
We'll see. Let's get the verdict from the
I
ladies
feel all warm inside now.
to see if it's.
I'm ready to go.
I mean, it's good.
Sit in the woods for a couple days.
It's so the problem I have.
I think
with
I
it,
was.
It's just because I expect eggnog from that presentation.
I don't. It's alright. What's wrong with it? It's weird.
I
think it's the beer.
It could be the beer.
I think the beer.
It has a little bitterness to it, but you're going to
I
get
don't really
bitterness.
get
out of
too
the
much
beer.
like bitterness.
Yeah, it's the beer. You taste a lot of that beer.
You do taste a lot of
Mm.
beer.
That beer is no good.
Tell us how you really feel.
No, she
Do
definitely.
you have another pumpkin beer we can
It
try?
has a weird spicy flavor.
Do you?
I'll get you.
You want to make another one?
You can try it and see.
Whoa! Oh, by the way, that one
Again?
explodes. We did that before.
Oh, I did that to Derrick too before. I forgot about that.
Jesus
It's
Christ.
just you, Jen. You have that effect, I bet. Yes.
Jen,
Derrick opened it last time.
oh, Jen was walking down the stairs. She's
That's
like,
why it's shaking.
she's like, what do these
Yeah.
fucking guys open this up?
No, there's something
No.
with that one. It exploded on Derrick.
Yeah, it's
too.
probably like 3 years old. Because I have when beers open.
Oh,
I don't
that's
know.
definitely gonna make it taste different.
And when
Oh,
you
that's strong as
Well,
shit.
that's
Jen, everything you
That's
drink,
one- that's
fucking
1%
is
strong.
like blackout.
How is that strong?
That's a 10% alcohol.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
and
we're
then-
rested in a bourbon barrel.
Yeah.
everything with her is
Try
rested
this.
in bourbon barrels.
Try
No,
that.
it's good. I like it.
It's good, but it's like I like took a sip. I was like, oh Jesus.
It's like, why is it everything you drink has to be like 1,000,000,000%?
Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, but that's good.
The third episode, everyone's gonna be like, "Oh, Dan's cocked." Fucking- yeah, because Jen just keeps giving me her shit.
Yeah, make the drink with that. That's
You didn't have to
really
take that
good.
second sip,
Mm.
so that's on you. It's because
That was
hey,
that was not a requirement.
I don't know what you mean.
it's not my fault.
It's not my fault.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's
So
so
like
that
that
with like
one.
a rim.
Yeah.
So good.
That would be.
this one is
That one's good.
That's delicious.
so the first one that
It has
people
some of the spices
aren't a
in it.
fan of
Yeah.
our Shipyard Pumpkin Smash. My bad. I just was trying to avoid buying the Sam Adams because I needed to buy a 6-pack and this came in 4. This is Kentucky Pumpkin Barrel Ale, which is rested in bourbon barrels, and they make a bourbon barrel aged beer that's also tasty. They make it like a stout that's also everything they make is also tasty. Comes in a 4-pack, costs more money than you'd expect.
It's all rested in bourbon barrels.
Yeah.
So.
We go.
Everything that Jen gets costs more than you expect.
That's not the only one. She also
I
bought.
only drink. All my stuff is
Jesus.
That had some carbonation.
Yeah,
You saw that, right? All I did was tap it.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm open it, right?
Yeah, it already blew up all over me.
We go to the store. So what we do is we go to Thirsty Moose to drink alcohol or beer. And right next to the Thirsty Moose is a place where you buy beer.
Oh.
So we went there because there was a wait.
Let's see if it does it again.
So she got Allagash Curio, and he's just trying to make a mess.
No.
No, not anymore.
No.
You shook it all out.
The ice sealed it up pretty good, I guess.
Yeah. We got all day, don't worry. So she got Allagash Curio and this. So that's a total of 8 beers. I don't even know what the cost was, but it was.
No, you got some too.
I got a 12-pack of Oktoberfest
Yeah.
from High Gravity or Gravity
I got
Zero
some
Gravity.
good. I got some good German beer. We went to an Oktoberfest. It was like, no, I have no idea what the name of it was either.
Märzen?
German beer is good.
I don't know. The guy was like, he's
Usually
like, you need to get this. I was like, where's your Oktoberfest beer? I went to like the craft beer
Yeah.
stores, the CBCs, and he's like, this. He's like every year when it comes out, he's like, this you have to get. And I was like, okay, and it was good.
Yeah.
It's not Zero Gravity Oktoberfest?
No,
It does taste a little bit.
Try it. I think you'll be happy. Because here's the deal. Here's the thing.
Oh,
It tastes like fucking oak. Like it has bourbon now.
Beer matters.
mm,
Yeah.
It has
beer matters.
it has flavor
both
of
got tomato.
rye.
mm.
Definitely different.
Rye.
Yeah. You know what though? This is a little sweeter.
Sweeter, really?
What's sweeter? That?
No, it's just a beer. This is more pumpkin-y.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because this
Yeah.
tastes more like rested. This tastes like beer. This
Oh,
tastes
this
like
is good.
pumpkin.
Yeah.
So,
This is more pumpkin.
Throw me off.
which is why I thought that would be better.
The maple.
Mm.
And
Really?
Maple doesn't belong in there.
No.
It's fall. Maple belongs in
does
fall.
not belong in there.
It
Yes,
says New
it does.
Hampshire on it.
Where'd you
Yeah.
grow up?
Yeah, maple.
But not in this drink. It doesn't belong in it. It's like fighting with the pumpkin.
This one, if this beer was a little bit better, you get the pumpkin comes through here.
Right.
You almost need like pumpkin puree in this drink.
Again, I was avoiding fucking pumpkin puree. Like opening
cinnamon. in it.
It's like this big.
opening a can of pumpkin puree to take a scoop out and put it in. It's bullshit.
Like put the rest in Kevin's food.
I don't think maple and this beer go together.
I don't mind the
You
maple.
would have to try to make it without the maple and put some cinnamon in it.
You can make the next one.
She's just inventing a brand new drink.
Come on, Ian. Make it.
They're gonna run out of eggs. I can't do it.
Yeah. All right.
We're already
Bunch of-
All right. We killed this.
All right.
we're already
We killed
$50 in eggs.
They're not $50
So it's a good drink. I am going to be shithoused by the third episode.
It's a good drink, but here's the problem.
It's a good drink.
Me thirsty. Me need more.
You pick the beer that you like.
Yeah, pick.
That one's better.
Find a good pumpkin beer. I suggest this as a good
You
pumpkin
gotta
beer.
finish that one.
Great.
Pumpkin ale, because most pumpkin is stupid, and I don't want pumpkin in my beer. I want Oktoberfest, Märzen, like lager beer
Mm.
from Germany. That's how you're supposed to do it. But pumpkin in your cocktail. That's how it's done. Sidebar, more videos down below is the Ostrix Bartender Starter Kit. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.